In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide orientation in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever needed your slides to run vertically for handouts or a poster, or horizontally for a standard projector, changing the orientation is quick and reliable in Impress. Orientation simply controls whether your slides are taller than they are wide, which is portrait, or wider than they are tall, which is landscape. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Once it's open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one you want to adjust. It doesn't matter which you choose, the orientation setting applies the same way. Next, look to the top menu bar and click Slide, then choose Slide Properties. This opens a dialog where all of the layout and page settings for your presentation live. If you don't see the options you expect right away, make sure you're on the Slide tab in that dialog. That tab is dedicated to how your slides are sized and formatted, so it's the right place for orientation changes. Within the Slide tab, find the Paper Format section. That's where you can switch between portrait and landscape. Portrait is great for content that stacks vertically. Think flyers, reading-heavy slides, or diagrams that are taller than they are wide. Landscape is the classic choice for projectors, widescreen monitors, and most slide decks, giving you more horizontal space for charts and images. Select the orientation that suits your needs. As you switch, keep in mind that Impress will reflow content to fit the new shape. Text boxes, images, and charts may shift slightly, so it's a good idea to glance at a few slides after the change and nudge elements into place if necessary. If your design uses a master slide, those elements will follow the new orientation automatically, which helps keep your look consistent. When you're satisfied with your choice, click OK to apply the change to your entire presentation. Impress applies orientation at the presentation level, so all slides adopt the new setting. If you need both orientations for different audiences or documents, consider saving a copy of your file and setting a different orientation in each version. That's all there is to it. Open your presentation, go to Slide Properties, choose the Slide tab, pick Portrait or Landscape under Paper Format, and confirm with OK. Give your slides a quick review afterward to fine-tune layouts, and you're ready to present or share with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you set the perfect canvas for your next presentation.